Hello, my humble, genuine viewers. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. And thank you for today's video. Someone has just requested me to make for her some simple tilapia fry. So this is my recipe today. And if you're new in this channel, please consider subscribing to Rabbit Foods, a channel of easy recipes, African traditional recipes, modern and travel and events. First of all, watch this video until the end. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have never subscribed, please subscribe. If you're happy about it, please buy your super thanks and share with your friends. So today, guys, I'm just making a quick meal tilapia fry. So stay tuned, watch this video until the end. Guys, this is the tilapia, just a small size tilapia that I'm going to do. And I'm not going to use so many spices. I just have here salt. I have red onions, paprika, curry powder, and garlic. So I'm just going to use this and maybe some cooking oil. So kindly stay tuned, watch this video until the end. So guys, I've washed my small fish and I've removed everything here. Guys, I told you I did a video and showed you how to remove everything here. So I just want to marinate it using this. So in this case, I'm going to cut it into small pieces. So guys, this is the engine. Do you know how to eat engine? So this is it. So what am I going to do? This is a meal for one person, and who doesn't really like so spicy food, but she prefers garlic because she knows garlic is medicine. She prefers little onions, onions, and just normal curry powder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to marinate this. So I'll make some slits here. So guys, that's all. So next I'm going to blend this. I'm going to blend these onions and the garlic. So the number of ingredients you are using will depend on the size of your recipe. So stay tuned. You blend the mixture of everything so that you can use it in marinating. So this is what I've just blended. So I'll marinate the fish. So stay tuned. I will place my fish in here. Try out this recipe just exactly the way I'm doing it. Try it out. You'll thank me later. It will come out so nice. for another 30 minutes for the marination to get well in here. So guys, look at my marinated fish. So I've just placed my pan here and I want to fry them. So stay tuned. I hope my oil is ready. So I will place guys, this is so tasty. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. So tasty guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please tap on that red button and subscribe. And if you like it, share with also with your friends and mostly try it out. Enjoy the recipe. It's so nice, so tasty guys. Now just look at the outer look of my fish. It has changed to golden brown, but guys, what is inside? The taste. That's why I normally say in Arabic it's tasting is believing. So stay tuned guys. Okay guys, look at my fish. Ooh. Wow. And this is the Indian. Wow. Look. Yes, see how yummy it is. So stay tuned. So guys, look at my fish now. Simple, just very simple and quick. So the person who really wanted this, thank you so much. I hope you watched this video. And then you asked me, what do you serve with? Being my tribe, I love ugali. I love ugali, so I'm going to serve it with ugali. So I have here my ugali. So this is my fish. Whoa. So this is my recipe for today. In fact, I'm serving myself for lunch. I'm having it for lunch. So nice, so tasty, guys. So please give my video a like, and if you love it, please share And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye. Welcome.